facts for budget travelers. If you want to travel on a budget, here are some top tips for how to save money when exploring the world. Plan your trip and your travel budget carefully before you leave. Consider backpacking and car sharing, perhaps a shared apartment on Airbnb, Vrbo, or Spotahome. Budget airlines are some of the best ways to travel for cheap. Make sure to bring your own water bottle and pack accordingly. Free or tip-based tours are some of the best ways to explore a new city. Often running for 2 to 3 hours, these tour guides are especially equipped to help you get used to a new city in a short amount of time while showing you the best that it has to offer. Don't forget to tip your guide. Google free things to do in the city you are visiting. For example, many museums in London are totally free. In Spain, some public transportation is free on Sundays. Other museums often have free days. Plan your trip accordingly. Research public transit. There is no need to have a car in the city center of old towns, such as Madrid or Barcelona. Although it might be helpful from getting from one place to another, it will not be helpful when you are looking for parking. For example, Valencia, the third biggest city in Spain, has only 2 parking lots in the city center. Most people end up parking outside the city and taking public transportation in anyway. My advice: leave the car at home. Pack light. You don't need to bring your entire wardrobe to Europe with you. Bring some basic staples and buy some when you get there. It's way more fun to come back with new things than a pile full of your old laundry. Ask locals where to eat. Although every city is full of normal tourist traps, your host or local folks will probably have some much better recommendations. Choose your destination carefully. Some are naturally more expensive or cheaper than others. Some place that is cheap and easy to fly to might not be the most budget-friendly town, such as London. Some place that is somewhat more difficult to arrive in, such as a small town in Latin America, might offer good exchange rates, low-cost food, and basically free transportation. always get travel insurance. Yes, it's initially an extra expense, but in case your trip gets canceled or you get sick, you will thank yourself later. You do not want to be stuck in a foreign hospital, being refused treatment because of lack of funds. Some hospitals will only treat you if paid up front, so always get travel insurance. Travel off-season. Although the weather might be somewhat more unpredictable, your chosen destination will be a lot less busy and you'll save a lot of money and you'll have it all to yourself. A hotel that might be outrageously expensive in the summer might be half the price just a couple months later. Use Skyscanner to find the cheapest flights. This is an easy way to find cheap flights between countries. You don't have to pick a specific destination. You can see what is available on all the dates or even across a whole month if your dates are flexible. Flying and searching for flights on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays are often the most economical.